Alright, so this is going to be part 2 of me working on this, which it gets kind of fun, because, so the other handle, the wiring up in there was messed up. And this one just humming, because the electrical connectors suck. I know it's on both of them that they suck. So what we got to do on this one is flip it on. We've got light. Now we got sounds. So what you should hear is me talking to you now, because this one's working, at least to that end. I don't know how well it is working, but I'm hoping it's working well enough you can hear me. And now we're going to leave this one here. And this one's over here being a little bit quiet. Quieter than the other one. Can you hear me? I got it. I don't think so. I don't even hear myself. So, that doesn't work. Okay. Can you hear me? No, I can't even hear myself. We're picking up static, that's it. So we'll pause it and see what it did. Did it pause? I don't think it did.